Demo of how to use the Straight Edge website's claim page to claim your STR. What this is essentially going to do is move your STR from an SR25519 address, which is the bespoke signature scheme that was created for Polkadot, to a SecP256 address, which is the much more common standard signature scheme used by Bitcoin and Ethereum and most blockchains today. And so while Straight Edge does support the SR signature scheme, most wallets do not. And so by making this transfer, we'll make a new address that you can easily import into the Kepler wallet and use for transferring and staking and whatnot. So how this works is you go to the Straight Edge website and you go to the claim page, or you could just go ahead and go to straightedge/claim directly. Once you're on the page, you'll be greeted with this text box, and what you need to do is insert your mnemonic that you put that for the public key that you used in the Edgeware lock drop. So this is the mnemonic for the public key that you put in the transaction as part of the lock drop. Then once you have this, you can go ahead and click import, and you'll be moved on to see this is the balance, and this is the new address that will be sent to, and how much will be sent. We're just going to send all of it, and we go ahead and click send. We're greeted with this little loading screen, and once that disappears, we should be opening up to an Explorer, which will show us, sometimes the Explorer, you have to wait a little bit, and it should refresh as soon as it realizes it finds the transaction. And there we go. We see that the transaction has occurred. Now what we can do is go ahead and import this into Kepler. So what we want to do is we'll go ahead and open that's Looney. We go ahead and open Kepler and go to add account. On this page, we'll do import existing account, use the same mnemonic, and let's call this lock drop key. Then we'll go ahead and do next. We go ahead and great, we're ready to begin. So what we can do is open up Kepler, go to the switch account, switch it to the lock drop key account, make sure we switched from Cosmos to Straight Edge, and there we are. We can see our total balance in Kepler. And what we can do is we can go ahead and actually even from here, I think you can actually click stake, and it will open up the Straight Edge staking page. And what you can do is go ahead and using Kepler, you can go ahead and say, okay, let's go ahead and stake one STR and redelegate it, and you can go ahead and do whatever you want in Kepler. And yep, that's it. Thank you guys for watching this, and please go ahead and claim your STR and start delegating. So then that way, once we get more participation, we can start making more governance protocols and making this project a reality. Thank you.